Brian Descent of Privada Cigar Club, and this is a look in the leaf. In the leaf. Welcome to A Look in the Leaf, featuring the Corojo wrapper leaf, a unique component of our exclusive Thor cigar from Privada Cigar Club. As we delve into the microscopic world of this tobacco leaf, we uncover a rich history and intricate flavors that define the Corojo's character. Originating in Cuba's Vuelta Abajo region, the Corojo leaf was initially cultivated by Diego Rodriguez. Its legacy, refined by his son, Daniel Maria Rodriguez, became synonymous with Cuban cigars' spicy punch. This spicy characteristic, a trademark of Cuban tobaccos, was the result of Corojo's delicate nature and specific cultivation process. However, susceptibility to diseases like blue mold and/or black shank led to the development of more resilient hybrid varieties. The last pure Corojo seeds were sown in Cuba in the late 1990s, giving way to these hybrids which maintain the original flavor profile while enhancing disease resistance. When observed under a macro lens, the Corojo leaf reveals a mesmerizing array of reddish-brown tones. As the cigar burns, these oils release, blending with the filler and binder tobaccos to create a complex flavor profile. Corojo is famous for its spiciness, but that's just the beginning. The leaf weaves in subtle notes of earthiness, cedar, and occasional hints of cocoa or coffee, offering a layering smoking experience. This complexity is further enhanced by the leaf's small size, which, despite its squat appearance, forms a core part of cigar culture. Interestingly, almost all Corojo grown today is destined for cigar wrappers, owing to its unique properties and peppery spice. In our segment, we explored how this intricate mix of flavors, influenced by the leaf's history and cultivation, plays a vital role in the Thor cigar's distinct taste. As we examine the Corojo leaf under a microscope, we not only appreciate its physical beauty, but also understand how its attributes contribute to the cigar's overall flavor profile. It's a journey through history, science, and sensory delight, all in the name of research conducted by Privada Cigar Club. Join us as we unravel the secrets of the Corojo leaf, a true gem in the tobacco world. We hope that you've all enjoyed and learned some things on this look in the leaf on Corojo Tobacco.